So almost every city or state in the world has those sort of landmark attractions and day trips that, whether you're a tourist or not, everyone seems to know of or have been to. In Melbourne, it's places like Mount Dandenong or the Thousand Steps, which are very popular hikes that a lot of people end up doing. But today I thought I'd come out to a lesser known hike, one that not many people that I've talked to seem to know of. Doesn't really have a lot of information about it. Down Healesville at a place called Mt Riddell, so we're going to hike up the mountain today and see what we can see. It's going to be a long hike. I've already walked 4Ks to get here, but hopefully it goes well. So we're going to start heading up the mountain and let's see what B-roll we can get. So as you can see, I've made it to the first sort of main lookout point along the trail. I've set up the tripod here and I'm going to chuck the camera on and do a time lapse, and then from there I'm going to fly the drone whilst the time lapse is going and get a good look at this mountain view over here. So let's go. Apparently I've made it to the top of the mountain. There isn't really much here. It's literally just all trees, but there is a bit of a gap in the trees above me, so might send the drone up through that gap and see what we can sort of see above the trees. Hopefully there's some mountains and another better view of the lake. Other than that, it was a pretty long hike, a bit longer than I expected, but it wasn't really that steep. Definitely a very doable hike, so I'm going to send the drone up and let's see if we can get any cool shots. So as you can see, I'm back at the trailhead where I started the vlog, and I think I'm probably just going to end the vlog here. This has been a pretty short and just chill vlog, nothing too crazy. I just wanted to sort of come up here and show you guys this hike. But I'm hoping to make more videos like this where I can go out to some cool places. They won't all be mountains, I'm trying to do some other places as well. But these are the sorts of videos that I really enjoy making. Anyways guys, that is it for this week's video. If you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to see the photos that I've taken throughout today, and also any of the photos that I take on my other hikes, head down to my Unsplash account. I have a collection with all of today's photos, and you can scroll through my entire Unsplash feed. I sort of post more there now rather than Instagram, as it's just more tailored for photography. It's not necessarily a social media site, but it's a really nice photography site. So make sure you check out my photos there, and yeah.